This is the way you should lay out the templates for the SUSY-Q. The vertical stabilizer, note that the flat part is on top of the piece of balsa wood. The horizontal stabilizer, note the position. The wing is going to go right next to the horizontal stabilizer, and you're going to trace these. These templates are not cutting guides, they're tracing guides. And then this piece down here, you can't see my finger yet, there it is. This piece down here is going to end up being for helicopter material. Now you're going to go ahead and you're going to cut on the lines. Make sure you put a cutting board under the piece of balsa wood. So you're going to cut 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. This large end piece you're going to return to me. You don't have to put return to teacher on yours. Do not cut this little rectangle here. This is where you're going to place the shim, the wing shim, later. And then this piece right here you're going to put in the scrap wood box. When you are cutting, you can cut right on the lines. Make sure that you have a cutting board, a good sharp X-Acto knife, and a ruler to cut these straight lines. Make sure your knife is straight up and down so you can see just the very thin back of the blade here. And you may have to make multiple passes, so don't worry about that if you do. Okay. And you'll cut all the rest of these pieces and go on to the next step. When you're done cutting, again, this piece can go in the scrap wood box. This longer piece, return to your teacher. And then you'll end up with your wing, which on the top you should put your last name and period and day. On the bottom, and how do you know what's the top and the bottom? The bottom is where you drew that little rectangle, and just put your last name there. Notice on the top side of the wing, my name is printed much larger, so it's easy to see. On your vertical stabilizer, with this flat edge over here, print your last name on both sides, and do the same thing with your horizontal stabilizer. You are now ready to go on to the next video.